Welcome everybody to our math financial literacy concert interview with me, your friend Etienne. Are you ready? Are you ready? Did you check out the shirt? Did you see the shirt? Did you know that math teachers add value? That is a fact. That's right. And we're gonna have some math fun. All right, let's get going. Here's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be hitting you up with some math raps, and you're gonna have to figure out which financial literacy math term am I talking about. You're gonna see 4 possibilities pop up on the screen as I'm rapping these, and you have to shout out the right answer, and you'll see the wrong answers disappearing until there's just 2 left, until there's just 1 left, and then you'll know what the right answer is, and hopefully it's the one that you've been yelling out from the beginning. Another part of this experience that we're gonna have, this math experience, is that we're gonna cover the questions that you chose. That's right.
It's time for questions.
We sent you questions, those important math questions that you wanted answers for. I'm here to answer them. Question number 3. Why did the bad accountant have so much trouble moving the heavy rock? I don't know. He just couldn't budget.
Oh no, more questions.
Question number 4. Why did the 2 submarines fall in love? I don't know, but I know that when the 2 submarines saw each other, it was instant subtraction. Time for math magic! All right, so grab a pencil and paper, or you can use your calculator. And right now, start with your birth year. That's right. So if it's 1836, then just write down 1836. If you were just born yesterday, then put this year's date. Okay, you got it? Now double that number. That's right. So if you were born in the year 2000, double it to 4,000. Double your number. I'll give you a chance. Go ahead. Hurry! Okay, sorry. I don't have a lot of patience. That's why I'm not a doctor. Let me guess. The first 4 digits you see there are the year of your birth, and the last 2 numbers are your age. That's math magic. And of course, I'm gonna be giving some shout outs to some pretty special people there on the other side of this lens. That's right, you guys over there. So if you're ready, let's get started. Manage your money the best way that you can. Saving, spending, invest with a plan. Count for every last dime, and soon you will see how you've mastered what? Did you know that one? Right, financial literacy. All right, everybody, so I hope you had a lot of fun in our math concert interview with a little bit of math raps. Okay, how many did you get right? Doesn't matter as long as you had fun with some math raps. I got to answer your math questions, very serious questions, absolutely. And we added a little bit of math magic, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, so, all right. Before we leave, I gotta tell you, when it comes to math, we can always stay connected. That's right. All of you teachers have access to the Rock Your Class Math Minutes platform. So all they have to do is go to the section that's called the Math Rap Contests, and you can actually have some math rap fun yourself and win some really, really cool math swag, including some really cool math rock t-shirts with really cool sayings like these ones here. Until then, I will see you later.